Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the ERR_connection_reset error in Google Chrome on Windows 11. First, open the Start menu and type Command Prompt or CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If you see a User Account Control prompt, click Yes to continue. In the Command Prompt window, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. This command resets the Windows WinSock catalog, which manages how Windows communicates with the network. Next, type netsh int ip reset and press Enter. This resets your computer's TCP/IP settings back to their default configuration, which can fix network-related issues that cause connection errors. Now type IP config/flush DNS and press Enter. This clears the DNS cache stored on your computer. If the cache contains outdated or incorrect information, Chrome may fail to connect to websites properly. Flushing the DNS cache forces Windows to retrieve fresh network information. After running all three commands, close Command Prompt and restart your Windows 11 PC. Once your computer has restarted, open Google Chrome and check if the error is gone. Thanks for watching.